We'll guide you through how to transfer photos and videos from a Canon camera to a mobile phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Once you've done that, you can easily go and share them amongst other things. To come onto the camera itself, we need to go and locate the SD card. So in this case, it's on the side of the camera. On some though, it may be underneath it. So go and find the door cover and we can go and open it up. Then you can go and see there's the SD card. You can push on it to go and pop it out. Now we need to connect it to the phone. So what you need to get is an adapter here. We'll go and link some down below so you can go and get one. Now we can go and connect the SD card into it. We've now gone and connected it. Now go and swipe up, go and find your Files app. You can always search for it at the top. In this case, it's in this Samsung folder called My Files. Come to the main page, you may need to press back and then come into storage. It's going to be listed as USB storage as we plugged it in as USB. Then we can come into DCIM, then I'll come into 100 Canon, and then we have our photos here. Tap and hold to select them, and you can choose the ones you want to go and transfer. Press copy at the bottom. Then you want to scroll along at the top, press internal storage, go and find DCIM, that's the camera folder, then press camera and press copy here. If I come into my gallery, here they are.